Let's talk about Grid Money, an app that's aiming to make managing your finances a lot simpler and more accessible. If you've ever struggled with paying bills on time or needed a little extra cash before payday, Grid Money might just be the solution you've been looking for. It offers a range of features like cash advances, PayBoost, and a simple way to build your credit all in one app. No credit checks, no interest, and no late fees. That's a pretty attractive pitch, especially if you've ever been burned by traditional banking fees. With Grid Money, you can request a cash advance of up to $200, and the approval process is instant, which is pretty impressive. The app doesn't do credit checks, so your credit score isn't a factor in getting approved. This means that even if you have less than perfect credit, you're still eligible to access the funds you need. The best part, you can unlock larger amounts for cash advances over time as long as you pay back what you owe on time. Then there's PayBoost, which is designed to help you get more money in your paycheck. Essentially, it helps optimize your tax withholdings, meaning you'll stop overpaying your taxes and start seeing up to $250 more in every paycheck. So if you're someone who feels like they're handing over way too much to Uncle Sam every month, this could be a game changer. Grid Money claims it's a simple, free way to optimize your taxes without any complicated forms or back and forth. There's also the Grid card, which serves as a one-stop shop for all your Grid Money transactions. With the card, you can get same-day cash advances with no extra cost, a huge perk if you need money urgently. The card also allows you to get your tax refund deposited straight onto it, which could be handy for budgeting. It's all really straightforward, and you won't have to worry about credit pulls or fees. The monthly fee for all of this, just $10. For that price, you get access to cash advances, a way to optimize your paycheck, and the ability to build your credit with no interest charges or late fees. It's a pretty solid deal for anyone looking to simplify their finances, but like anything, it's not without its downsides. The $10 monthly fee isn't outrageous, but it's something to consider if you're someone who's trying to minimize costs. Also, while the cash advances are helpful, they're capped at $200, which might not be enough for everyone. Plus, the amount of money you can get through PayBoost depends on how much federal tax you're currently withholding, so not everyone will see that full $250 increase. Overall, Grid Money is an interesting option for people who want a more flexible and transparent approach to their finances. It offers a fresh alternative to the usual banking services that hit you with fees and make things unnecessarily complicated. Whether you're looking for a quick cash advance, wanting to optimize your paycheck, or trying to build your credit, Grid Money seems like it could make a big difference. It's all about simplicity, and in today's financial landscape, that's something a lot of people could use.